today and do a little experiment. Got some bell peppers here. Basically took and cored the bell peppers out. Got my chicken seasoned, cooked up. Got some cream cheese mixed with some bacon bits, some jalapenos. Basically what I've took and done is put the cream cheese in here, mixed it with some chicken. It's already cooked, and actually stuffed, like really stuffed. This thing's heavy. It feels like a softball. That's a real stuffed bell pepper. So we're gonna see what the outcome is. I'm gonna do the rest of these, let you guys know. Stay tuned. All right, so we got them all finished up, stuffed up and looking good. Got some regular cream cheese with chicken and got jalapeno stuffed cream cheese with chicken. We're gonna put them in the oven. Put the oven on 300. I think we'll give them about 20 to 30 minutes and we'll check them. Stay tuned.
It's from the Oh, sorry.
It's the inside of that bad boy. As I said, it felt like a softball. It was stuffed so heavy. So, oh my God, it's so good. Can't wait to just tear into it. Have a good night. See you next time.